Do you get excited when you imagine that you would buy a nice cozy house, a car, Europe tour, or become, wait for it, a millionaire? But then reality strikes and you realize you don't have the job that pays for it, or all your hard-earned money is either going to the bank repaying the current debt or is being spent on unnecessary things. And then you think to yourself, what did I do wrong? Well, I know what you're doing wrong or probably could do wrong. Come join me, Meera, and watch the complete video on Skillopedia, where I tell you the common money mistakes we all can avoid in our 20s.